Before we get into the video, I'd like to mention that I've partnered with products and service provider to bring you tools and resources that can help you achieve your goal in this video. The link in the description is an affiliate link, and by using it, you will be supporting this channel at no additional cost to you. This helps me continue creating valuable content for you. Once you click on the link, you will come to this website, and here you click form your free LLC now. Here at entity, you will select LLC and state Florida. Once Florida is selected, you will see this package plan here, basic. It shows 0 plus state fee as $125. Now, one thing you have to remember is that when you are outside of US, there are few things which you need to have. First is a registered agent. Once we go inside, we will see what is the role of the registered agent. And this is required, which since you are away, you will need that part. Then when it comes to the EIN business tax number, interacting with IRS on your own is a challenge. I have shared the screenshot of how people have been finding it difficult and how easy it is when you have somebody who is handholding in US. So considering all other aspects, going for standard or premium is recommended if you are outside of US. Based on the choice you want to make, here I'm selecting premium, you will get started. Enter your company name. Here in LLC, I'm entering site for 40 consulting and then designator from here. So I'm keeping as it is LLC, and it shows here what will be the official name. Then click next. Here you will enter your contact information, email ID, mobile phone number. I'm in Canada, so I'll be entering my Canadian phone number so that any message or phone call can come to where I am. So once that is entered and click next, you would need a company address. You cannot have any PO box number, and since you are not there, you will need a virtual mail address and a business address. So here you can see this address. The suite number will get allotted later on, and for this service it's $29 per month, which can be cancelled anytime. So I'm keeping as it is, and then contact address will be your address. Like I'm in Canada, so it's Canada address, and then once you enter, you click next. Select number of member. Here I'm selecting one, and then keeping as individual and selecting the name and address what is assigned by Bizee. Come down and then click next. Here registered agent information. As I said, first 1 year is only free, otherwise it costs $119. Then this person will be receiving all legal documents, annual report statement, and also anything related to IRS which will come, and this person receives and then shares that with you. So this is required to be physically in that state, and I'm keeping as it is. This free for first year. Next, EIN tax identification number. So when it comes to EIN, it's not straightforward like for someone who is in US. If you are in US, you call up IRS with all your registration document and you will be almost instantly given EIN number. When you are away from US and you are not a resident, then you have to fill up SS4 form that will be filled at the time of registration. Once that is done, this company will inform you, you fill that application, and once you fill that application, you will get EIN. That is required for your banking and any other need. So to get that, since you're a foreign individual, here your selection will be yes. And then you are shown this SS4 application for non-US citizen. So I agree. Then selecting the name as it is. Here I'm selecting use the assigned company address provided by Bizee, and then click next. This is a business banking page. This is separate from the registration. So they have a tie-up with this bank, and you can go and read this part. If you're interested, you say I'm interested. If not, you can select ask me later, and then tax strategy and free consultation. Again, if you are interested in a free consultation, you can select yes. If not, I am not interested at this time. So once this is selected, click next. You come to business license and permit. Here again, you have option. If you need handholding, you select this option. If not, you select no thank you, I'll work myself. And once that selection is made, come down and click next. So this is the order summary section. Whatever you filled so far is what you see here. You can edit, If you want, you can change and make it correct. If everything is correct, just go ahead and click next. You have two ways to do the billing: PayPal, credit card. Here I have selected credit card, selecting I agree, and then go ahead with the completion of payment. When the payment is done, the company will go ahead and get the registration done. When the registration is complete, they will inform you about SS4 application, and once you fill up that application and you get your EIN, you are ready to start with your business in US. So friends, make sure you're using the link what is shown to avail all the benefit, and thanks for watching.